Hi, welcome back to my unboxing video. So as I told you in my previous video, I ordered 2 Have a Seat labubu and now it's arrived today. This is my collection of Have a Seat. I have a Secret, I have ZZ, and this one is the new one. This one you just saw in my previous video. I'm going to collect all the open eyes one in the Have a Seat series. And this one is the 3rd one. I just missed Kuku. So I'll be getting Kuku soon. So without further ado, let's open this box. I dah tahu dah apa kat dalam ni. You guys yang tak tahu lagi kan? So macam biasa, seller ni akan bagi goodies. Even though I don't know what it is, please someone tell me in the comment what is this. And ta-da! This is the Have a Seat. Don't worry, it's original. Okay. So without further ado, let's open the blind box. You guys need to close your eyes. So guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Going to close my eyes. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, the color is so nice in person. I love it. I thought the color is really vibrant, but it's not. It's really subtle. This is kind of peachy, I guess. And this one is Baba. So this is up close. The color is really subtle, not too bright. And this is the card. Baba. I love it. So now I have Baba, Dada, and the Dodo, and Zizi. So I miss another one, QQ. I really need that QQ. I don't want the closed eyes one, I want the open eyes. So I miss QQ. I'm going to get QQ soon. Maybe. You know, it's very hard to get this one. But kalau you rajin buat research, you akan dapat seller yang sangat bagus dan sangat affordable. This one I've bought around 65 something. Murah kan? So I think that's it for today. Bye.